Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 18th to the 24th. It is that final week before the big day, which is Christmas, which will be celebrated on Sunday the 25th. We're going to look at the ads the week previous, and there are some great ones in this flyer. First thing, I believe on Wednesday morning, a lot of us started getting this booster. I got 10 back when you spend 50. Couple rules for you guys. It is valid that week only from the 18th to the 24th. Yes, it doesn't in fact stack with a paper booster. It is of a one-time use. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. Use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills. Let's take a quick peek at the deals of the week. We have toys at 50% off. Some toys are also 40 to 70% off. We also have the number 7 overpriced at 50% off, but let's wait till the 26th of December, see where that's at. And they are really trying to push the toys. I'm assuming they must have ordered a bunch and they are just not moving. That's why we're seeing such deep savings on specifically kids' toys. I made a video a couple days back for some free Kit Kat duos, which I'm still finding at store, which is bananas. And then 40 to 70% off. Look at those big Disney dolls. Like, it is fantastic. I'll link this video at the end if you wish to watch it. Okay, also lots of stocking stuffers, last minute gifts. BOGO 50% off on those mugs, 4 for $4 for the theater size candy, 2 for $8 on the Ghirardelli. Lots of little candy deals. The free Kit Kats are the best, but these are also great alternatives. So the first deal we're going to look at is this personal care gift boxes. Earn a $4 reward when you buy 2. Now, all of the personal care gift sets are part of this that I saw tagged last week. So as an example, if you might have this booster, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. I know the week is wrong there, guys. We're just using this as an example. We're going to pick up 2 of the Old Spice men gift sets, and they are priced in store at $10 each. I know some of the Olays are $9.99, which is stupid, but these ones are $10. We have a $2 digital coupon, so please make sure you load this one. On my favorite app, IBOTTA, we have $2 back. Although it says Meijer, if you scroll down below on the rebate app, Walgreens in alphabetical order is the last store in this rebate, and it's valid at multiple stores. Alphabetical order, Meijer in my region pops up first. So grabbing 2 of those gift sets is 20 on the nose. We have our booster loaded and a $2 digital. With your debit card, you're paying $18, getting back $5 register reward for spending 20 for the booster, plus a $4 register reward for buying 2 gift sets. Plus, IBOTTA is giving back $2 for each, so that's an extra $4. It shakes out the 2 gift sets, $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per gift set. If you're doing this with a booster, remember not to use any Walgreens cash, but what a fantastic little deal. The next offer that we're going to look at are just the deals of the week. 3 for $10.99 for the 7-Up. Really great price point. Now we're going to look at the rest. Now we have the Arm & Hammer for $1.99, and typically when they do the Arm & Hammer for $1.99, the Walgreens toilet paper and then the disinfectant wipes, there's a trio of $1.99, so be on the lookout for those if you need to stock up. They might or might not be part of this. Now let's throw in a $5 register reward if you might have it to get our balance less than, and this one's also expired, just showing it as an example. Grabbing 3 bottles of the Arm & Hammer for $5.97, $5 register reward, or $5 in Walgreens cash, and pay 97 cents. I think this is a super smart deal. If you're a new couponer, if you're gifting a lot of dish stuff for Christmas to extended family, that is a stock-up price if I've ever seen or heard of one. Let's talk about the Garnier 2 for $8. We're going to have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. Buy 3, get back a $5 reward. So we're going to grab 3 of the Garnier Fructis for $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $9, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $4 for the 3 or $1.33 per shampoo. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can spend it to earn that register reward. Irish Spring and Soft Soap, $5 a pop, and we have a $2 digital starting on Sunday morning. Picking up 3 of these, that's 15 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 13, get back a $5 register reward, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're not using this in concert with a booster like a earn $5 back when you spend 20, but just a way to stock up on some inexpensive body wash. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is with the Olay. If you want to stock up on this, $3 a pop for the math I've kind of put together, but it's kind of expensive. So we're going to do it in concert with this booster. Again, this is just an example. I know it's the wrong dates. I just don't have one for this week to show you guys. It's just the break sometimes. So grabbing 3 of these Olay body washes, that's $21 on the nose. Subtracting that $2 digital. Make sure you have your booster loaded. You're paying $19 out of pocket with your debit card as you're using that booster. Getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster. A $5 register reward. It makes it $9 for the 3 or $3 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using that 5 back when you spend 20 booster. You know, let's hope bar soap is included. This might be a really nice stock-up gift for somebody that likes bar soap as a part of a little stockpile Christmas gift. Why not? Okay, the next deal that we have is the Listerine, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. I know there's a rebate website right now for this, but it seems to be a lot of buggy. I'm hearing a lot of people complain on social media, so let's look at this deal without it. Grabbing 2 of those Listerines, the one's at $6 and some change, that's $12.58. There's a $1.50 digital coupon right now, so with your debit card, you'll pay $11.08. It is spend 10, earn 5. That's why we're using our debit card. Getting back that $5 in Walgreens cash for meeting that cap. Plus, coupons.com has a $1.50 back rebate for 1 Listerine. So $5.58 for the 2 or $2 and some change per. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as this specifically is a spend offer. Spend 10, earn back 5. 50% return on investment. Very good deal for Listerine. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Eucerin. Unfortunately, the digital coupon that we have is gone. It's expiring, I think, tomorrow. So maybe something new might pop up. Earn $10 when you spend 20. If you might have this booster, again, this is just an example, but I'm sure a lot of you got the 5 back when you spend 20. Let's grab 2 Eucerin products to get us to the $20 mark, so a $9 and then a $10.99 product. Have your booster loaded. You're going to pay that $20.68 with your debit card and get back $15 in Walgreens cash. 10 for spending 20 plus 5 for the booster, making it $5.68 for the 2 or $2.84 per. Remember, as the offer is spend 20, get back 10, and with the booster, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Gain, 4 for $16, a very good price point for this liquid green gold. If you know, you know. I think a lot of us really love the Gain. If you might have one of these register rewards, let's throw it into the mix. I know this one is expired, just throwing it in here for an example. So grabbing 4 of these for $16, subtracting that register reward, and $10 in Walgreens cash, and pay $1. Everybody gets Gain. You get a Gain. This person gets a Gain for Christmas. And yes, you can use register rewards or Walgreens cash as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster, just to note that, but really good deal on the Gain. Sunday morning, I think that Colgate might give us some nice coupons. $3.99, $4 reward when you buy 2. If we get $2 back for off of each, or a 4 off of 2, that will make it free. So we'll have to keep an eagle eye out for that. I don't have the pop-up yet for that, so we'll have to wait and see Sunday morning, the digital coupons that are provided. And this one might be a really good curbside pickup, $5 a pop, $5 reward when you buy 3. For the Nivea body wash. And then IBOTTA sometimes has rebates for this. So definitely this one might be a good one. So let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Now this one, I don't know, guys. The hemp is usually $19.99. So if you're going to buy like 2 for like $38, $39, like $10 when you spend 20, which is really nice. But is there something smaller in the store that we could throw in to get this to $20 and not spend $40 for that? $10 gift card when you buy 2 $25 gift cards. If you need a Google Play or the Chipotle or one of those, you might want to investigate that in store on Sunday. And then we have $5 stocking stuffers. They're really pulling out all the stops that you do all your Christmas shopping at Walgreens. If you have a lot of Walgreens cash or other goodies, by all means, very smart thing to do. And then we have BOGO free on the Pop-Tarts, and then 2 for $10 for the bacon, a very good price point, especially for Oscar Mayer. And we have the soda, 3 for $12.99 for the Coke. That's not a bad price point, especially for Coke. And then the 2 liters, 3 for $5, another excellent price point. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.